Hey there guys, my name is Marquez, and in this video I will guide you how you can easily enable or disable Control Center on a lock screen. So in iPhone 14. So what you want to do is just easily go to, when you're going to be in menu in settings, find settings, and when you're going to be here in the settings, you want to click here Face ID and passcode. And when you're going to be here, you want to scroll down below, and then you can have a control center right here. And you can easily enable it or disable it here. And that's pretty much it how you can do it. So if you can have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. And have a great day and goodbye. See ya.